morning, Crypto TV family. So you can see I got a bright smile on my face because I'm in the best real estate in Tampa, man. You know what I mean? The International Airport is the best real estate in Tampa because I get to get the hell out of here in America. You know what I'm saying? So I'm headed back home. I'm going to my family, go see my wife. You know what I'm saying? Go spend some time with them. And yeah, but in the meantime, I got to get over here to this gate 8 so I can, you know, get on this damn train and get over to the other side to go through customs. So today on the episode, we're gonna be talking about Web3 though. You know, you're gonna learn about Web3 a little bit, talk a little bit about it, and then that'll be the end of the episode. But yeah, let me get on and do what I gotta do right now, all right? We'll catch y'all on the other side. Crypto King is not a financial advisor.
You gon' learn today, you gon' learn today, you gon' learn today. Had to get it off, why not be the boss? Started in Tampa Bay. Life in the matrix will crumble you. Poverty struggle will humble you. Florida State, relocate, pack my bags and I moved to Colombia. Hola mujeres bonitas, they say that it's cheaper to keep her. That's why I learn more than you. Crypto, I'm learning you. Learn Crypto TV is turning to. Please don't waste my time. Learn, yeah. Please don't waste my time. Learn today. Crypto TV. Please don't waste my time. Learn Crypto TV. Please don't waste my time. Learn Crypto TV.
All right, family, so we made it back over here through the the TSA checkpoint right there. We got through that safe. They was dragging ass. It was so slow, you know what I mean? I'm just so excited to hurry up and get the hell back home. That's what it was pretty much, you know what I mean? But you can see me, you know what I mean? You see the airport, like I said earlier, the best real estate in Tampa right here at this place. But anyway, so on today's episode, we talking about Web 3.0. Okay, so you know about the first version of the web that was back in 1990s, in the early 2000s. Then you have the Web 2.0, you know, which came in after that, and everything that we're gonna be talking about is in succession. So you know, you'll be able to get a thorough understanding of where it began, where did it go to, and where it's headed. So Web 2.0 and 3.0 are the successive versions of the web that you know, the internet, www, the World Wide Web. That's what you know. And like I said, the original Web 0.1 was of the 1990s and early 2000s. Web 2.0 is the current version that you're actually using today when you go log in on Google, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, whatever it is that you are using. You're using Web 2.0. All right, so just to show you, Web 1 was read. Web 2 is read and write. Okay, so there's a third component to Web 3.0, which you'll find out here in the video. And if you don't, then I'll just so commonly tell you after the video over with. But anyway, the next phase of the web is 3.0. And this here is going to be decentralized. Y'all hear a lot of people talking about decentralization, and decentralization is nothing more than removing the middleman. So you point to point. So point A to point B. So instead of point A to point B, so point B can deliver it to C. All right, so that's what it is. And this here is for open and more and better utility. That's what this here is about. All right, so and then you know these innovations that came, like smartphones, the mobile internet, you know, because everybody walking around with a mini computer in their hand anyway. You know, you have mobile internet access, and then social networks. They made Web 2.0 what it is today. Let's check this video out here on the other side, and I'll talk to you after you get a thorough explanation of Web 3.0.
You might have heard the term Web 3.0 or Web 3 being thrown around lately. What does it mean? Will it be the new internet? What's so special about it? How is it different from Web 2.0? In this video, we're going to dive deep into Web 3.0, as well as how the blockchain, the DAO, and the metaverse fit in it. Let's begin. Web 3.0 or Web 3 is the next evolution of the internet that utilizes blockchain technology, promoting decentralized protocols and token-based economics. There are a few early-stage Web 3 applications that already exist, such as Polkadot, Filecoin, Brave Browser, Ethereum Name Service, and Steam. But how are they different from applications like AWS, Chrome, and PayPal that exist on Web 2.0? To better understand the advantages and also the potential dangers of Web3, let's take a step back and revisit the World Wide Web that came before. If you are old enough to live through the 1990s, you might remember the first version of the internet, known as Web 1.0. At that time, you couldn't do much on the internet except reading and publishing very basic content. It was essentially just Wikipedia with links to web pages. This is why Web 1.0 was also known as the read-only web. Then came Web 2.0 in 2004. It's known as the read and write version of the internet, which is a reference to a computer code that lets you both open and edit files instead of just viewing them. This is the version of the internet you're familiar with today. Not only can you consume content, but you also can create and publish your own content on various sites like Tumblr, Blogspot, Etsy, and Craigslist. And in recent years, social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram have made content creation more advanced and extensive. Through text, emojis, images, and videos, the sky is truly the limit when expressing creativity. While Web 2.0 seems to bring about many benefits to the user with various free services, many people have become uncomfortable knowing that their privacy is being violated. You see, tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Facebook collect and sell your personal data to advertising agencies. This is made explicit each time you visit a website. The main purpose is to better tailor ads and marketing campaigns to you. This is how tech giants make profit and are able to keep their platforms free for you to use. Some people may see this as a good thing, as they won't see irrelevant or uninteresting ads. But others would like to maintain their privacy and have more control over their data. So this is where Web 3 comes in. Tim Berners-Lee, the inventor of the World Wide Web, envisioned Web 3 as a semantic web. This would mean that machines are able to understand data contextually and conceptually, just like the human brain. Consider these two phrases. I love CoinGecko. Well, they are written differently, one with the word love spelled out and the other using a symbol. The meaning being conveyed is the same. This is where Berners-Lee wanted Web 3 to be a program that understands all data, applying semantics and solving issues with optimization through artificial intelligence. However, this is currently not the case. The initial idea of Web 3 has not materialized due to the overestimation of machine learning and lack of implementation. Instead, blockchain technology is paving the way for Web 3. Rather than being controlled by governments and corporations, as is the case with Web 2, applications on Web 3 are decentralized. This means that data is stored in a way that is only ever the control of the person who owns it, even if it happens to be stored on a server owned by a corporation. Blockchain technology ensures that data is encrypted and stored in multiple distribution centers. Due to the decentralized nature of Web 3, it's possible to be more than just consumers or customers. With enough tokens or cryptocurrencies, you can also become shared stakeholders of a decentralized network and have a say over how things should be run. You may also be part of a decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO. A DAO is a loosely organized collective with a flat hierarchical structure. It is bound by rules and regulations coded into a blockchain. While shareholders can vote on change on prices or how things are governed, no individual can actually change the encoded rules without permission, not even those who own the servers. As such, DAOs eliminate the need for centralized command or middlemen like bankers, accountants, lawyers, and landlords. The power of decentralized Web 3 lies in the hands of the people. What about the metaverse? While Web 3 is the meat and bones of the internet, the metaverse is its skin. Instead of a 2D user interface, the metaverse uses technologies like VR and AR for a more immersive, social, and persistent version of the internet. While it is not a necessity for the development of Web 3, the metaverse could potentially provide a more interactive experience for users to engage with Web 3 applications. But that may be years in the making. For now, Web 3 is still evolving. While there may be benefits in terms of privacy and having complete ownership of data, the current Web 3 has its flaws. According to some experts, decentralization may make it more difficult to regulate activities, which may lead to an increase in cybercrime and online abuse. What's more, ownership and control may still be centralized as venture capitalists and financiers hoard the token and become the main shareholders. The technology is simply not ready to support the fair and decentralized future the people imagine it to be. So how would Web 3 look in the coming years? Well, it's more likely that you would have the ability to buy things like Amazon products using MetaMask or support someone's content directly with your wallet. More decentralized platforms would gradually be built and grown until centralized companies are forced to disassemble by legislator and replaced with decentralized, unregulated DAOs. The choice is in your hands.
All right, family, so you heard the explanation of the video and Web 3.0. I know, yeah, it was a lot of information, but this is what you need to be able to understand before you go investing into, these different wheels. Because crypto is going to play a large part in the Web 3.0. There are several projects that already uses the Web 3.0 foundation or structure or infrastructure. And we talking about projects like the Deeper Network. The Deeper Network is a decentralized form of a VPN, a virtual private network. Okay, that's one. You have the Brave browser, which and when I say Brave browser, I'm talking about something similar to the Bing's, Google, Yahoo, all of these search engines like that, right? Well, Brave browser is a browser that's decentralized, and it's for Web 3.0. All right, and you can basically earn the BAT token just by using it. It saves time, it stops ads, those trackers, and stuff like that. And you should check it out. Brave browser, and that's the basic attention token. And you can also set up your wallet, which is a part of something that's the Web 3.0, is you can have a wallet based on their own internet to be able to hold or store your crypto. They have a wallet for the Brave browser as well, that you could put your BAT in, or you could connect your Gemini account to it. If you don't have a Gemini account, then get my ebook. I have a hyperactive link in my ebook for you to be able to, create and sign up for that particular exchange if you wanted to. So those are a couple of examples of Web 3.0. Another example of what be used in Web 3.0 is a project like Audius, the music platform, similar to Spotify, Apple Music, and these type of different engines or wheels. Spotify, all of that stuff, Well, Audius is that project for Web 3.0. So, it's very imperative that you know about this here particular particular unit in which we are moving into, because not only is it going to be working interchangeably or interoperably with crypto, it's just going to be for everyday use like you using the internet right now anyway. But anyway, man, I just wanted to drop in today, drop some knowledge on y'all. Y'all see where I'm at. I'm getting ready to venture up out of here and get back home to my country, and then from there, we'll see y'all at the end of the week with some crypto news and what's been going on this week in crypto. So, but anyway, thank y'all for tuning in. Remember to like the episode, comment, question, share it with somebody so they can learn what you just learned today. And yeah, thanks again. And we'll see you on the next episode from somewhere in Colombia. Ciao.